What's up, YouTube? Here with another video for the 2015 Hyundai Genesis Sedan. Today I just received the Hyundai Genesis door plates, so we're going to unbox and see how it comes shipped. This actually came shipped all the way from Korea, so it took almost about a month to get here, and you can find it on Amazon. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this and see how it comes. And it comes by this company, Exos Genesis door catch inside panel. Okay, comes with some instructions in Korean, and comes labeled right and left. So let's take a look at them. And here's what it looks like. All right, so let's go out to the car and get these installed. Alright, so you're going to want to have your car door open, and you want to have it unlocked here. And what you're going to do is get in here with a little pry tool, and you're going to pop it in till you hear it pop out, which there it is. It popped right out. Open the door handle, bring this out. It's just a plastic cover piece. Grab your new one. You're going to see 3 holes right in there, and you're just going to do it right back in. And it should pop into the holes, and there you have it. And that's the finished product. Took no more than 30 seconds. I think it looks a lot better than this black plastic piece. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see any more mods done to the Genesis, just leave it in the comments down below. And that's it for today. See you on the next one.